The dream double bottom line for farming is increasing yield sustainably. These new technologies, this fourth agricultural revolution, has that promise.
The real transformative breakthrough that Small Robot Company is delivering is around PerPlant farming. We've created sustainable farming robots called Tom, Dick and Harry. And we're using these robots to help farmers feed the world.
The promise for farm bots, for robotics and artificial intelligence in farming is this ability to gather data at the PerPlant level, but then also take action at that same level of detail.
But the data on its own is revolutionary. Never before has it been possible to see every single plant in the field. And that is why Small Robot Company is completely unique.
It could be really powerful and industry changing.
What we're talking about here is the impact that artificial intelligence can potentially have in farming. We believe that PerPlant farming is going to become the dominant form of farming system in the world.
After the last round of funding, we delivered on our promise of being able to create a commercially viable, robust Tom robot, ready to roll out into the field.
Tom is really digitising the field. He's recognising the wheat plants, but also recognising the weeds.
We are delivering commercial service for both farmers and for corporate customers.
At the moment, the precision farming market is about 5 billion annually, and that's projected to grow to 240 billion. We're right at the start. The biggest opportunity is still ahead of us.
We are already signed up for a commercial offering with the Small Robot Company, and I'm really excited to have them on a bigger scale.
This year we are focused on improving the granularity of the data that we're feeding into Wilma, who is now capable of absorbing terabytes of information and converting that to PerPlant information in the field to be able to monitor every single plant in the field as it grows over the course of the season.
These capabilities are also really applicable to lots of other players in the wider ag industry. An example of that is large seed companies who are operating trial plots. And what we can offer them is billions of data points and the opportunity for every field to become a trial plot. We're gathering far more data than they are able to gather to see how those seeds are performing in the commercial environment.
We're in discussions with several large corporates, a seed company and with a nutrient company. We are focusing on the biggest problem that farmers face at the moment, which is weeding.
Blackgrass is crippling. It's costing the industry a fortune. It's the #1 problem which is here now and it needs to be fixed.
Dick goes out to the field to find the individual weeds that Tom has seen through his cameras and then kill the weeds with electricity.
The robot offers us a real chance to stop using artificial inputs.
Now we can recognise the weeds in the shot and we can get the probe onto those weeds. At that point we can do what we want. The robotic platforms we've got at the moment can have many different technologies bolted onto them, and the world's our oyster on that.
The robots can offer a heck of a lot more, in my opinion, than just treating weeds. For me, it's endless. The potential's endless.
The focus for this round is for us to be able to serve our farmer and corporate customers with PerPlant data, and then to be able to commercialise our PerPlant reading capability.
This next round of funding will be the launch pad for us to demonstrate that PerPlant farming is the future, enabling us to unlock that demand for future commercial growth.
I think they're really well placed to be in this robotics market. You know, the future is orange.
PerPlant intelligence is revolutionary, and what we're doing is completely unique in the marketplace. PerPlant action will be even bigger. The opportunities here are endless.